Hi, my name's Bob Moraca, and I'm an adult cardiothoracic surgeon at the Virginia Mason Clinic here in Seattle. My specialty is really dealing with complex anatomical issues with the heart and lungs and fixing those issues with surgery. I chose this profession because it's really a way to have a big impact on patients at a time of a critical illness or a very stressful situation. I treat conditions of the heart, the aorta, and the lungs themselves. Typically people with coronary artery disease, valvular heart disease, thoracic aortic disease, and chronic blood clots to the lungs. I'm interested in all aspects of adult cardiothoracic surgery, but in particular, I have an interest in thoracic aortic surgery, minimally invasive techniques to treat that condition, and disorders of the pulmonary vasculature, such as a condition called CTEPH, or chronic thromboembolic pulmonary hypertension. Prior to coming to Virginia Mason, I was an associate professor of surgery in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and I've been actively involved in both clinical and national research trials, and was the former president of the Eastern Cardiothoracic Surgical Association. I think it's a hopeful and a very exciting time in the field of cardiothoracic surgery. One of the big advances right now is the aspect of a team medicine approach, where we work together with different subspecialties such as cardiology, electrophysiology, and medicine to really pioneer great approaches to patient care. My favorite part of the day is coming in and seeing our patients. They inspire me every day, their courage and fortitude to get through these complicated medical conditions and to make decisions on their care as a part of our team. I think it's one of the most rewarding parts of our profession when we deal with patients with a really difficult problem and we're able to, with them as a part of the team, get them through it and watch them come back and get back to normal condition. Normal quality of life. I'm inspired by my patients almost on a daily basis. Patients today in cardiothoracic surgery undergo very complicated, life-threatening procedures, and watching their courage and their fortitude to get through these is truly inspiring. I think the key to keeping patients at the top of the pyramid is to put yourselves in their shoes every day and realize that even though this is our job every day that we do, it's the first time for them, and it's a very special and important day for them. And so, I always tell my patients that today's your Super Bowl for us, and every day we have to be at our best and provide you with the perfect outcome. I think the most important part of patient care is getting to know a patient and understanding what their motivations for surgery are and what their goals in life are. And when we get into that process of figuring out what their goals are, their motivations, and what they're afraid of and what they want, that provides a very unique experience for those patients. One of the reasons I chose Virginia Mason is that they're been focused for 30 years on team medicine. And I think the team approach today is especially important in cardiothoracic surgery because there's so many options for patients. There's minimally invasive approaches, there's catheter-based approaches. And so involving that patient in the team and involving all those teams together to help choose not what I do best, but what's going to be best for the patient and what our team can offer is the most impactful thing that we offer. I chose to work at Virginia Mason because it's been focused on safety, quality, and putting patients at the top of the pyramid and their team approach to medicine. I think we build relationships with patients from the first time we meet them. We get to know the patients, their families, their siblings, and understand their motivations and what their goals are for their care. And that process enables us to build a relationship that's long-lasting beyond the procedure itself. I have many interests outside work, which include reading, skiing, biking, and spending a lot of time with my family and my 2 dogs.